Spiritual unity. One of the most eventful evening conferences at Amathus was the session on spiritual unity. James Zebedee inquired, "Master, how do we learn to see alike and enjoy more harmony among ourselves?" Jesus' spirit was stirred to the point that he said, James, when did I teach you that you should all see alike? I have come into the world to announce spiritual liberty so that people can live free and unique lives before God. I do not want social harmony and fraternal peace to be the result of people sacrificing their free personality and spiritual originality. What I require of you, my apostles, is spirit unity, and you experience it through the joy you receive from uniting in dedication to the wholehearted will of my Father. You do not have to see alike, or feel alike, or even think alike to be spiritually alike. Spiritual unity comes from knowing that each of you is indwelt and increasingly dominated by the Spirit that the Heavenly Father has sent into your minds, and that the harmony between you results from the fact that the Spirit in each of you is identical in origin, nature, and destiny. By each of you accepting that the Spirit of God in you is one and the same with God the Ultimate, you become spiritually united in purpose and understanding. He clarified, you can enjoy this spiritual brotherhood regardless of how different your thoughts, attitudes, temperaments, and social abilities are. Everyone who sees this spiritual unity among you will know that you have been with me and have learned how to do the will of the Father in heaven. Each of you can and will use your own original endowments of mind, body, and soul when joining in service of God. Spiritual unity in a group harmonizes to imply two things among the group. One, that all the people have a common motive in doing the will of the Father over all other things. And two, each person in the group has the same reason for existence, finding the Father in heaven and proving to the universe that we have become like him. Jesus frequently revisited this theme when instructing his apostles. He repeatedly affirmed that he did not wish his believers to become dogmatic or to standardize creeds and traditions to guide and control those who believe in the gospel of the kingdom.